Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Instagram easily. This really takes less than a minute. Open Instagram if you don't download it yet. You can go to Play Store and search for Instagram and you can download. Okay, you'll have a download button here. You need to click on download and install. And once the installation is done, the home screen what you'll see is something like this, and here you need to click on this option create new account, and there are two options which you can create with the mobile number or with the email id. For this tutorial I'm clicking on sign up with email address. This will ask you to enter the email address, so you need to give your email address and then click on next. I'll give my email address and click on next. Okay, see here, as I entered my email id and I click on next, Instagram sent a verification code to my Gmail. So what you need to do is you need to open your Gmail id and open that particular email address what you have just given here, and you'll receive a code, a 6-digit code you'll receive. You need to enter here, and I checked my email just now and I received a code. I'm going to enter here. See, I entered the code and click on next, and here it is asking my full name. You can give your full name, and here you need to choose a password for this account creation of Instagram, and you need to click on this next. So what I'll do is I'll give the password and click on next. Once that process is done, it will ask you to choose your date of birth, so you need to change the years here and you need to change the month here, and you can select your appropriate date and click on set. Okay, something like that, and after that you need to click on next. At last you'll find the screen. You need to agree to their Instagram terms and policies, and that's it. Your account is done. You need to set your profile picture here. If at all, I'm just skipping it. If you want, you can keep a picture for your profile. So yes, this is how simple you can create an account on Instagram. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is the home screen of the Instagram.